Hi, have you or a loved one suffered a burn injury as a result of an 18-wheeler wreck or a truck accident here in Houston, Texas? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas Truck Accident Lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligence, the recklessness, or intentional wrongdoing of motor carrier companies and or truck drivers. If you've been injured in a truck accident and suffered a burn injury, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, and download your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law: What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this personally with you in mind. So go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, and download your free ebook today. Then give me a call at 713-766-3322. I look forward to discussing your case and helping you receive the care and compensation that you deserve.